welcome to Gordon Guitar. NF, he did a collab here with James Arthur. Great song there, and it calls Sorry. Sorry is the title of this song, and it goes pretty much insane with the entire song. We have that melody goes on, and you can also combine that with the strumming, 4 chords, same order. Yes, we love that. Let's go into this tutorial, and we're going to use a capo. You're going to place it on the 1st fret. If you don't have any, then highly recommend you to get one, and if you don't have any for right now, you can just skip that one, follow the same chords. It will sound a little bit darker than it sounds for me, obviously, since you play it up here anyway, but this chord progression I'm going to give you is the absolute best here, so let's go into it. I'm going to learn the 4 chords A minor, F, C, and G6. Starting with A minor, it goes open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. F is the next chord. It's a bar chord. You place on his finger on the 1st fret. You push down all strings there as much as you can, and then you need to add 3rd A, 3rd D, and 2nd G. We have C next, and that goes 3rd A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. And finally we have the G6, and that will be 3rd E, 2nd A, open D, open G, open B, and open E. And that will be the chord progression. Now let's go into the melody, and it goes fast, yes, but it's pretty much the same playing here. So once you learn it, okay? So what you need to hold here is not the full chords. I recommend you not to do that because it's too much to move around since it goes pretty fast, the chord switches here. So we're gonna start with A minor and just pin this 1st fret B string, okay? You're gonna play this. Okay, so you start with open A together with that 1st B. And then you have kind of an alternate picking here. You're gonna play open A, and then 1st B. You have this falling forward motion. Okay, like that, okay? So you're gonna start with simultaneously pick open A and 1st B. And then you have that combo of open A and 1st B falling forward, so to speak, 4 times. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you end on 1 open A. So almost 5 times. Okay, you end on that open A, and that's 1 round. So okay, that's the only round you're gonna play. Then you're gonna play the same principle here for next chord, which is the F. And now how I do it, I just place a bar on that 1st fret, because you're gonna alternate now the 1st fret E string with the 1st fret B. Okay, but you're gonna start with simultaneously pick those 2 notes, and then play that 4-time combo of 1st fret E string and 1st B. 4 times, so, and then end on 1st E. Okay, so far we got the A minor and F. Now we're gonna play the C. So when I play that F chord, I actually keep the bar there. I think it's just easier to not recuperate your fingers to get this. You could if you want to, because these are the 2 notes you're gonna use, the 3rd fret A string and 1st B. But since I already have that bar there, I am very comfortable with just adding on that 3rd A. I don't have to care about to get like from a bar to try to pinpoint these 2 notes. I have the bar already, so the 1st fret B string is there, okay? And just add on that 3rd fret A. That's just me. I'm explaining some technical stuff here for you to have it as easy as possible in my opinion, but this is just for me, okay? So you can use or not, it's up to you. So you're gonna play 3rd fret A together with 1st B, okay? And then you go this falling forward motion here between the 3rd A and 1st B 4 times. And this time you don't go up to the bass string. Now you're gonna add on the 3rd fret B string. Okay, so instead of playing that bass note again, as a final note, you're gonna play the 3rd fret B. So the grid for me looks like this. And then I use my little pinky to get down on the 3rd fret B string. And then finally we have the G6, and you need to hold that 3rd fret E string. So I hold that, and then I play the open B simultaneously. And then we have 4 times on that alternate playing of the 3rd fret E and open B. And the final note there after the 4 times is to play the 2nd fret G string. And that ends one round of the melody. Okay, so I'm going to take you through this slowly to understand what's going on. Let's start from A minor, go into the F, C, and G6. Let's go. So on. All right, flows beautifully there. So that's the melody. You can basically play this from the beginning till the very end. But if you want to have some joy in life and kind of express yourself in a easier strumming motion, anyway, you can do that. So now you have to hold the full chords as they are, and you're gonna hold the A minor to start with. One string pattern goes like this. Okay, so you're gonna play down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. So you see the pattern here. You start with 1 down, and then comes down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. So down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down. And you're gonna play one of these per chord in a faster tempo. It goes like this. There you have the strumming as well, guys. Melody strumming, that's it. That's how I handle NFs and James Arthur's Sorry. Okay, so like I mentioned, NF has made some great songs recently. This is one of them. Be back for more uploads. So yes, hope to see you guys next time. Play tuned.